The ECDL Level 1 qualification. The training manuals and materials are available from ciatraining.co.uk. I've navigated myself to that page. Now on the left hand side, if I follow the link to BCS ITQ, and we can see down here the modules are available at level 1 only. At ACL Essex, we offer word processing, spreadsheets, presentation, and the database module. The word processing module uses Microsoft Office for Word, spreadsheet module, Microsoft Excel, database, Microsoft Access, presentation, Microsoft PowerPoint. If I just follow the link here to word processing level 1, the course manual brand new is at this price. However, second-hand copies are available on eBay and Amazon. Make sure you purchase the version for the software that you have at home. At our ACL centres, we use Office 2013. However, we are aware that the later versions, 2016, are most common in learners' homes. At level 1, we look at opening and closing and saving a document, formatting text, creating a document, entering and editing data, using templates, checking and proofreading, printing and previewing, headers and footers, page setup and layout, alignment and indentation, bullets and numbering, search and replace, creating tables, inserting art and pictures. I'm going to scroll up to the top again, and on the left hand side go to BCS ITQ. If I scroll down to level 1 presentation software, again the price for a brand new book, otherwise second-hand copies are just as good. The course contents, opening and closing PowerPoint, saving presentations, applying backgrounds, formatting text, inserting and manipulating objects, adding sound, printing slides, notes and handouts, opening and closing presentations, using templates, adding slides, using cut, copy and paste, adding and rehearsing timings, spell checking and viewing presentations. And again, the book is available for PowerPoint 2010, PowerPoint 2013, PowerPoint 2016. I'll scroll up to the top again, and on the left-hand side, still within the citraining.co.uk webpage, which is the publisher for our course manual. If I follow the link to BCS ITQ and scroll down this time to spreadsheet software, we can look at the course contents available. Again, the brand new price of a book, the Office versions. So at level 1, we look at spreadsheet principles, creating a spreadsheet, saving and opening and closing, formatting cells, editing and copying, formulas, basic functions, creating charts, formatting charts, printing spreadsheets and charts, formatting worksheets, summarising data, and sorting data. We'll now look at the database contents. So scrolling up to the top, on the left-hand side, under ITQ, IT User Skills, BCS ITQ. And if I scroll down to Level 1 Database Software, we've got the different versions of the software. Under the database module using Microsoft Access, we look at database principles, access basics, database objects, creating a database, creating a table, data types, entering records, editing and deleting records, searching, sorting and filtering, using and creating queries, using and creating reports, and checking data. In order to achieve the BCS Level 1 award, you only need to complete 3 modules. So that could be word processing, for example, followed by the presentation software, because that's a smaller module, and leaving the spreadsheet module to the end to spend more time on. And then you could pick, once you've completed your full award, you can then do the Level 1 database software module as a single award. Or you may want to move straight on to the Level 2 qualification, which is a very small gap and an easy transition and progression to make. There is no end of module exam at Level 1. You're tested at the end of each module. And again, like the Level 2 module, your platform for your courseware and your mock exams are all available under ecdluk.psionline.com. This is where your learning takes place for your courseware and your exams once you've made your registration. Each module is assessed. To pass each module, you only have to score over 75% on each exam. The mock exam, also known as the diagnostic, is actually harder than the real exam. Each real exam is 45 minutes with no more than 36 questions. However, the diagnostic test can take up to an hour and a half at least, with at least 90 questions. Feedback is obtained after the diagnostic tests. However, on the real exam, the certificate exams, you're just given your pass and your fail, mainly your pass. Once you complete the award or the Level 2 certificate, you then gain a certificate from BCS. They're the people that accredit your qualification. It's not graded, so regardless of whether you achieve 100% on an exam or 76% on an exam or 94, you're just given an overall pass. As I said, more information is available on our college website under ECDL. The website address is aclessex.com/digital-skills-ecdl/. Bit more about the funding and our locations. And there's a form to complete if you want more information about our courses. If you enter the form with your name, your phone number, email and date of birth, preferred location, even though, as I said in the previous recording, we are in lockdown, we are delivering these remotely. So long as you've got headphones and a microphone and available at least once a week to have a online lesson with your tutor, as well as having time to complete your learning on your courseware outside of lesson time. So you need headphones and a microphone to attend those online sessions, otherwise just headphones for the courseware. However, you do need an email to stay in touch with your tutor at least on a weekly basis. We have other learning resources on our moodle.essex.acl.ac.uk learning platform. This is our virtual learning environment. Each learner is allocated a virtual learning environment log-on when they first enrol at Adult Community Learning. On the right-hand side, you enter your username and your password. Select the login button. On the main page, if you go to all courses and scroll down to information technology, these are all the courses we currently offer in IT. And then scroll down to the qualification that you're working on, for example, ECDL IT Level 1, and followed by your tutor's name. You click on that link, and you can see in here we've got course information. So, for example, I run a weekly webinar. There's a link to some bite-sized resources as well as my YouTube channel. A forum in there, some glossary of terms, a link to useful websites, more about our course information, sample papers for word processing spreadsheets, PowerPoint and databases, as well as our end of course evaluation. More information will be added on a weekly basis for each lesson that you attend as well. Further information is available by the example BCS who accredit the qualification. For example, if I follow the link here to Word Processing Level 2, there's more information on that link about the syllabus for what each module covers. To enrol onto our ECDL course at ACL Essex, if you follow the link aclessex.com/digital-skills-ECDL/. On the right hand side, there's a pink box that says enrol onto European Computer Driving Licence ECDL course. There's buttons on the right hand side for each of our locations. For example, on Monday, we offer a course Monday morning in Chelmsford, Monday afternoon in Chelmsford, Wednesday evening in Chelmsford, Thursday morning in Basildon, Monday evening in Basildon, Tuesday morning in Basildon, Tuesday evening in Basildon, Wednesday morning in Brentwood, Wednesday evening in Brentwood, Wednesday morning in Clacton, Wednesday afternoon in Clacton, Thursday evening in Clacton, Tuesday morning in Colchester, Monday evening in Colchester. We also run a Saturday in Colchester and so forth. And Witham, Malden, so right across the county. And there's also more on the next page. And Harlow on Tuesdays mornings, Tuesday afternoons in Harlow, Wednesday morning in Harlow. So all the way through. Each of these courses do require an initial assessment that you'll be told more about at point of enrolment. Once you found a course date and time, for example, if you wanted to go for a Thursday evening in Rayleigh, if you follow the link how to enrol and more information about it, and then follow the link, there's our map and our address for our Rayleigh Centre, and follow the link to how to enrol. There's more information about it. Then follow the link to either the daytime mode in Rayleigh or the evening mode. Click on the green button. It will then take you to a login in page. This is provided you've already got a login to ACL Essex for the college. If you haven't, you can sign up for first time use with us. Click on the blue button to sign up and you enter to complete the form. Otherwise, you can phone the college on the contact number over here 0345 603 7635, or follow the link to the contact us page to launch your email, or email us directly at lifelong.learning@essex.gov.uk. The initial assessment may seem daunting at first. It involves a maths and an English and an IT test, but it's more so that when you meet with your tutor that we put you on the right level of course. It may be that you're more suitable for the level 1 with a progression onto level 2. That way you gain 2 qualifications, or it may be that you want to quickly get a level 2 qualification done in order to start your employment. However, at any point of enrolment on your CV, you can write down that you're working towards your qualification whilst you're job hunting. And as I said, if you're looking at starting on a day mode and then you gain employment and need to move to an evening mode, or vice versa, that opportunity is available. Hope to see you in one of our courses soon. Thank you for listening. Sophia Harty, IT Tutor.